Baouthcom Review 2025 Legit Fashion and Home Decor Store or Bar Caution. Most people get this wrong by assuming that attractive websites automatically mean safe shopping. The surprising truth is that Baouthcom offers legit products, but there are a few things buyers need to know. Baouthcom features a mix of fashion accessories and home decor items at affordable prices. The quality is generally good, with durable fabrics and stylish designs. You won't believe how many trendy pieces you can find without spending a fortune. Many users praise their unique designs that aren't widely available elsewhere. On the downside, shipping can be slow, sometimes exceeding the estimated delivery time. Returns are allowed, but the process can be cumbersome and slow to process. Customer service exists but may not respond immediately, so patience is necessary. The surprising truth is that minor delays don't necessarily reflect product quality, but they can affect the overall experience. Before purchasing, check product reviews and images to ensure expectations align with reality. For larger purchases, start with a smaller order to gauge reliability. In conclusion, Baouthcom is generally a trustworthy platform for fashion and home decor, but buyers should approach with caution, especially for first-time orders. Understanding shipping timelines, reading reviews, and testing smaller purchases will help ensure a smooth shopping experience.